Canva is a graphic design tool perfect for creating custom visuals to personalize your Shopify store, from banners and product images to logos, social media graphics, and email templates. It integrates indirectly with Shopify, but works seamlessly for visual customization. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up or log in to Canva. Go to canva.com, create a free account or log in. Pro plan unlocks premium elements, transparent backgrounds, and brand kits. Create brand assets. In Canva, search templates, logo, choose style, customize with your brand name, colors, fonts, download as PNG, transparent background. Store banners, search Shopify banner or e-commerce header, add photos, text, promotions, download. Product mockups, search product mockup or t-shirt mockup, upload your designs, export high-res images, social media posts, search Instagram post or Facebook cover, create branded graphics, upload to Shopify, Shopify admin, online store, themes, customize, header, upload logo, settings, favicon and logo, homepage banners and slideshow, add image with text or slideshow sections, upload Canva banners, product images, products, select product, add or edit images, upload Canva mockups, collection pages, collections, edit collection, add featured image, Canva banner, enhance other areas, email templates, Canva, email header, design, export, use in Shopify, email or Klaviyo, blog images, online store, blog posts, upload Canva visuals, social proof, create testimonial graphics or star rating badges.